Fits in any form factor desktop computer case with at least one standard 3.5 internal drive bay. Adapts 3.5 internal drive bay for use with up to two 2.5 SSDs. Supports 7 mm and 9.5 mm height standard SSDs. Adjustable mounting holes for symmetrical and asymmetrical dual SSD mounting. Enough clearance for connecting SATA cables without strain to SATA connector. Includes 2 sets of SSD mounting screws and 1 set of adapter mounting screws. Easy, hassle-free and clean installation. Compatible with all Corsair SSDs, as well as all other brands. Top reviews from the United States. Great install adapter. I highly recommend these brackets. Install 2 drives in a single space. The sheet metal is really well stamped, no sharp edges, and the threading and paint are spot on.